2003 Protege5 Tiptronic automatic transmission engine harness. We'll start from the inside and go towards the engine bay. It's the main ECU connector. This is for cruise control and I believe the keyless entry on the passenger side dash area. This is for your e-brake handle. It's going back to your sending unit and reverse lights. This is for the Tiptronic shifter. These are connectors by the passenger glove box side towards the driver's side under the dash. Main body harness connector. Going outside, these are the three sensors on the passenger side strut tower and cruise control. ABS connector. This is EGR. So the three sensors on the throttle body and the PRC solenoid. This is the TPS connector. This is the main engine ground, no burns. Diagnostic. The fuse box, that's just grease, that's dry rotted. This is the fuse box connector as well, fuse box ground. MAF and intake air temp, VIX and VTCS, fuel injector connectors, knock sensor, cam sensors, coil pack, cam sensor, crank sensor, AC and power steering, the main automatic transmission connectors, O2 sensors, and this is the automatic sensor that's on the top of the transmission. Coolant and fuel resistor, 2 grounds for the engine bay, and that is the complete wiring harness for an automatic 2003 Tiptronic.